Benefits of bananas and their effects. Bananas are a highly nutritious fruit that offer a number of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits and effects of bananas. Rich in nutrients. Bananas are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and other essential nutrients. Promotes digestion. Bananas are rich in fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Boosts energy. Bananas are a good source of natural sugars, such as fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which can provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Regulates blood sugar. Bananas have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes them a good snack option for people with diabetes. Helps with weight loss. Bananas are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Enhances heart health. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Improves mood and reduces stress. Bananas contain the amino acid tryptophan, which can help boost serotonin levels in the brain, promoting feelings of relaxation and reducing stress. Supports kidney health. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which can help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Overall, bananas are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can offer a number of health benefits when consumed as part of a balanced diet.